Hello everyone, we are Andres and Giedre. We spent years and years dreaming and planning on how we can quit and leave boring and meaningless city life behind and live more sustainable, healthier, slower paced life in the countryside. And in 2022, our dreams came true. We sold our home in the UK and set off to sunny central Portugal. It wasn't plain sailing from the beginning. Buying our off-grid homestead cost us a lot of patience and time. Follow our journey from the very beginning and we really hope it will inspire someone else to make that choice, as life is just too short for 9 to 5 work to pay bills routine. And yes, we do regret one thing about our journey. It's a fact we haven't started it earlier.
What you got in there, Andrew?
That's sauna tent, guys. Today is Christmas Eve, but we're gonna prepare everything for tomorrow, for Christmas Day morning. So we're staying here overnight, and tomorrow we're going just behind the G. Kaip čia būtų? Ajuška atitraukė. Tau čia reikia duoti. Vieną dieną.
Dūminė.
A test of lighting the fire. Practicing for tomorrow's fun, guys.
Geri, prisivalgė rytą. Matai?
Morning, everyone. Christmas Day morning. It was quite a frosty night, and we're going to start a fire in our sauna tent. Can't wait for that. So exciting. I miss that much.
Пустянка.
So,
Morning, guys.
morning.
What a lovely Boxing Day it is. We just came back home last night. Spent the Christmas Eve and Christmas Day with our friends. Oh, lovely time we had, as you've seen in the video.
Very nice. It was very nice food, very nice company.
A nice challenge to jump into the ice cold river.
For you, yeah.
Have you done it?
Did you film it? No. No, it's okay.
I didn't even have a chance, guy, to read the comments. Just want to tell you here, just Merry Christmas, guys. We wish you a really productive and good New Year. And yeah, thank you very much for your greetings.
Thank you for this year, for being with us. It's been a year since we released the first video. I just seen it today, and we've done so much. Within this year, you done it, so a lot for us. Thank you for sticking with us. Thank you for all your lovely comments. It's amazing. It's fun. Cooking channel. It's like we never spoke about it in here.
A few times.
A few times, yeah. Thank you so much on there as well. It's doing really well. Thanks to you. Thank you so much. So yeah, I think this is it for this year, yeah? This is our last video.
We'll try to make one more.
Oh yeah, okay, why
There's
not?
plenty of work to be done, so plenty of filming to be done, so we'll do something. Not gonna sit here and wait for the New Year's Eve, is it?
Well, no, it's a week, isn't it? It's one more week. We can do something. But yeah.
Thank you very much, guys, again, and see you in the next one. Have a
ya.
good one.
See ya.